Have you ever suddenly realized that you were in a dream? You might have experienced the phenomenon of lucid dreaming. This realization can give you a sense of control over what you experience, allowing you to explore and manipulate the world in ways that you never thought possible. Lucid dreaming has been a topic of fascination for centuries, and recent advancements in technology and research have shed new light on this mysterious and often misunderstood phenomenon. Here are some steps to take to become a lucid dreamer yourself. Remember that it does take practice. Binaural beats are a type of auditory illusion that occurs when two slightly different frequencies are presented to each ear. It's believed that listening to binaural beats can help induce a state of relaxation and heightened awareness, which can be helpful for lucid dreaming. Some people have reported that listening to binaural beats before bed can help them achieve a deeper state of relaxation and increase their chances of having an experience. Start keeping a dream journal next to your bed and write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. This will help you become more aware of your dreams and can increase your chances of becoming lucid. Throughout the day, perform reality checks, just to see if you are dreaming or not. Look at your hands and try to push a finger through your palm, or try to levitate. This will help train your brain to question whether or not you are in a dream. Before going to bed, spend some time visualizing yourself becoming aware that you are dreaming. Tell yourself that you will recognize when you are in a dream and that you will become lucid. Set an alarm to wake you up in the middle of the night, then stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes before going back to sleep. This can increase your chances of becoming lucid, as you will be more aware of the transition between waking and dreaming. Train yourself to look for clocks in your dream. If you are truly asleep, no clock you see will display an understandable time. Then, you'll know that you're dreaming and can command your own adventures.
Thank you for joining us in this video about lucid dreaming. Follow LionX for a series of deep sleep and binaural beat videos with hypnotic visuals to lead you into your lucid dreaming experience.